Ladies and gentlemen, one of the best side hustles right now that takes literally $0 to get started with is being a TikTok shop creator or a TikTok affiliate. Now, this doesn't just have to be on TikTok. That's something that a lot of people don't know and something I'll continue to talk about maybe throughout this video and in future videos. But in this video, what I want to do is actually go over this viral video that I'm seeing. I've been seeing this on my feed for a while now, for over a month, and it's about this guy that did $0 to $23,000 in 1 week using AI as a TikTok shop affiliate. Now, I want to go through this in the hopes that some of you guys will learn how to do this as well, because I truly think this is one of the easiest or best side hustles right now, because it requires no startup capital at all. You don't really need to, continuously invest in inventory or anything like that. Which is what you have to do with e-commerce. And I think this, mixed with an e-commerce background, is actually extremely powerful. That's a really powerful skill combination. And I want more of you to do this too, because I need more creators for my brand. I actually have a Discord server of creators, TikTok shop affiliate creators. And I also have, obviously, my agency Akemi. If you're new here, you probably don't know that, but I run an agency, a 7-figure agency called Akemi, where we do media buying on TikTok, Meta, and Google. And a lot of our clients need this sort of content as well and need more creators. So we're easily able to get the creators in our server paid. So yeah. And also, if you have your own e-commerce business, right? Maybe you've never been successful with paid ads. Maybe this is what you need. You need to just get out your phone and start learning how to make organic social media content to promote your business. It's extremely powerful, guys. I'm serious. This doesn't just apply to e-commerce. And I'm trying to make more videos that are outside of e-commerce too. So let's get right into it.
Earned over $20,000. This video has earned over $20,000 in the last 7 days by promoting this product on TikTok. It's actually crazy. It seems like everyone these days is making hundreds of thousands of dollars on TikTok, and the video style you saw is going viral and bringing in thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So today I will reveal how you can create videos that produce similar results even if you have no editing skills. And don't worry, I will show you how to start this business from anywhere in the world. But first, let me blow your mind. So there's this website called Calodata that gives insight into trending products and how much money people...
Shout out to Calodata, one of my favorite softwares right now. I always have it linked in the description too. I know the founders, and they built an incredible tool. This is probably my favorite research software right now, but it's only applicable to TikTok.
This account has earned $354,000 in affiliate commissions. The second has made $345,000, followed by $296,000, $270,000, and those numbers are just for the last 7 days. So trust me, this is no joke. People are making serious money here. But what blew my mind even more was this account right here. As you can see, it's a fairly new account with around 6,000 followers, which is not too impressive at first look. However, what's crazy is that in the last 30 days, this account has earned over $60,000 by promoting this coconut pulling oil for oral health. And they did all of that without even having the product in hand. They create videos that rely solely on AI-generated images and the most used AI voice.
This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day. First, you would notice that
Here we can see this AI video generated $41,000 in revenue, and another brought in $17,000.
By the way, this channel, or at least this video, is using the same strategy, but for YouTube. This is a long form video, but this is a faceless channel. So really interesting. These days, you can make a huge personal brand and make a lot of money through views by promoting products or by just building up a channel on YouTube without ever showing your face. It's so crazy the time that we live in, and AI is facilitating all of these things. So that's why you got to pay attention to this stuff. And that's why I want to continue to bring it to your attention.
So here's how you can create these types of viral videos using AI. Step number 1 is product selection. And this is the easiest step as there are thousands of options to pick from. Step 2 is writing a viral video script, and I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to craft scripts that convert. Step 3 will be turning the script we created into stunning visuals using tools like Midjourney and ChatGPT. And in step 4, we'll use InVideo AI to put everything together and create powerful videos in just a couple of minutes. So let's say you've done the research and decided to promote this Guru Nanda coconut pulling oil, which has generated $1.8 million in the last 30 days. Not too bad, right? After that, you need to find a competitor video promoting your product that performs well. In my case, it's...
By the way, this is applicable to dropshipping as well. This is, or e-commerce in general. If you just find a competitor promoting a competing product that is going viral, you can just copy that video and structure in your own way, make it unique, and see similar results.
This one with 3.5 million views. Next, you need to transcribe the video script. You can either manually write down the script as you watch the video, or if you're using the same tool I'm using, you can simply click here to export and copy the script. So our goal now is to use this script as a template to write our own. Because think about it, why reinvent the wheel if something is already working? So to do that, we will open ChatGPT and use this prompt. I'm creating a 30-second TikTok video promoting your product. I want you to rewrite the following script using exactly the same structure, writing style, tone, and length. And here you need to insert the original script from the competitor's video. So by using this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a script similar to the one that went viral. For example, the original script starts with, "This is what would happen if you started oil pulling every day."
That's such a good hook. And you can apply that hook to anything. Again, this can be applied to any business model, guys. It can be applied to softwares, anything that solves a problem, right? Like, this is what would happen if you started, writing down in your journal every day, right? That's a good example. Wow, this is laggy.
And the one we generated begins with, "Ever wondered what happens when you make oil pulling a daily habit?" So it follows the same style, but isn't a duplicate. So at this point, you should have your script ready and it's time to generate the visuals. So what I usually do now is manually break down the script into lines. Each line becomes a scene, and for each scene, we need corresponding visuals. And make sure to keep watching as I will show you how to automate this step in one click. For example, the first line mentions oil pulling. So a compelling visual here could be a close-up of white teeth with oil dripping to grab attention. The second scene talks about fresher breath, which suggests freshness, so I think visuals of mint leaves or lush greenery could be effective. Now, when the script mentions the product name, it's best to include a clip of the product, and I'll show you how to find these visuals a bit later. So, the process involves going through the script, highlighting the main keywords, and brainstorming visual ideas based on those. However, if you want to save time doing all of that, you can use the prompt you see on the screen. And this prompt will give you a detailed structure for your video, including all scenes and an idea of the visuals you can.
Okay, so he provided the ChatGPT prompt. I'm creating a TikTok video to promote an affiliate product using a slideshow of AI-generated images. Each scene of the video needs a corresponding image into your script. Requirements: break down the script into scenes, each with a clear line for the voiceover. For each scene, provide a brief description of the visual content or image that should accompany the voiceover. This description should detail the action, mood, and any relevant objects or characters. That's really good. I would probably add also maybe the example video that you're trying to recreate so that ChatGPT knows or has an example.
You can use the prompt you see on the screen. And this prompt will give you a detailed structure for your video, including all scenes and an idea of the visuals you can use. And this method is guaranteed to save you hours. So I spent some time on Midjourney and ChatGPT, generating all the AI images needed for the video. Here on the screen are some of the prompts I used in case you want to create something similar. So at this point, you should have a winning product, a powerful script, and stunning visuals. This means it's time to put everything together and create a masterpiece using InVideo AI, which is a tool that turns any line of text into custom videos. Create a 30-second TikTok video about teeth care and add subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. So the tool then generates the script voiceover and edits all the clips for you.
Imagine waking up to a fresher breath every day. That's the power of flossing. Regular flossing can turn bad breath into a morning delight. Say goodbye to yellow stains and hello to a confident smile.
So, after signing up using the link in the description, you'll land on this page. Now, in this box,
You can do the same thing more or less with CapCut.
you can enter a prompt and generate a video with just one click. But in today's video, we will use the workflows right here. As you can see, you can generate all types of videos: YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and so on. Now, in order to generate this style of videos, we will use the script to video workflow. However, if you want an in-depth tutorial where I explain everything about InVideo, I highly recommend watching the videos I'll link in the description. Now, we all know that InVideo AI is smart enough to automatically generate your video script. However, using the script to video workflow, you can create a video using exactly your script. So I'll open the workflow and start by selecting the type of video from this menu. For our example, we're creating a TikTok video. Next, I'll paste the script we generated previously in this field, just as shown here. In this section, you can select the background music for your video. For example, it could be inspiring or motivational. Moving to the settings, you can choose the voiceover. InVideo AI offers a variety of voices to pick from. However, to add a personal touch and stand out, I'll use my own voice. Yes, you can actually clone your own voice and use it in your videos. Open the menu on the left-hand side and select Voices under Plugins and then click on Add Voice. Here, you must upload a voice sample and mention that you give InVideo AI permission to use your voice, otherwise it won't be accepted. After uploading your recording, accept the terms and click on My Sample Looks Good. InVideo AI will then verify everything and add your voice to the library. So now, under Settings, there is an option called My Voice, so I can select that and choose the voice I added, just as you can see. When you are finished, click Continue and then generate a video. Ever wondered what happens when you make oil pulling a daily habit? First off, you'll notice your breath smells fresher than ever. Now, although the video does not yet look exactly as we want, it's quite impressive given that we've only provided the script to generate it. But the question is, how can we turn the video we have into the style we want to create? Well, it's actually super simple, and here is how to do it. Once the video is generated, click the Edit button. And here, you have the option to edit both the media and the script. So let's say you're not happy with a part of your script. You can simply delete it or change the structure. I can make this section shorter or longer, and the AI will then adjust the video and voiceover accordingly. But in our case, all the magic will happen inside the Media tab. As you can see, here are the clips used in the video, and if we select any of them, the related text to that scene will be highlighted
I
in
actually really like those stock footage videos, especially if you mix in some of your product videos in between too, right? That makes it pretty powerful. We run content like this already for clients as well. We have a lot of AI editors, and we want more, by the way. So if you're trying to do this, obviously for yourself, but you also want a job doing this at Akemi, again, hit me up. You can reach out on Instagram or any platform really, but I think stock footage, image, or videos mixed with product videos are a really good idea. Man, this thing's laggy.
So our goal now is to replace these clips with the AI images. Start by clicking the Upload Media button and upload all the images you've created. So let's begin with the first scene, for example. We can see it's about oil pulling, and the related image for this scene is this one right here. So simply click on it and it will automatically replace the existing clip. So now continue this process one clip at a time. Select the clip, check the highlighted text, and replace it with the correct image until you have replaced all scenes. In some scenes, like this one where we mention the product, you might need actual product footage like I did here. The best places to find product footage
That's what I was saying. That's really smart.
are TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You can then upload it to InVideo AI and replace the clips using the same technique. After replacing all the clips, click on Apply Changes, and you'll now notice that the video is starting to come together. But obviously, we are not done yet, as we still need to add subtitles to make it more engaging. Luckily for us, this is super easy. Do you see this text box underneath the video? You can actually use it to give text-based commands to change or add something to your video. Remove the music, change the voiceover, or whatever else you need. In my case, I will ask to add word-by-word subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. And once we click Generate, we'll have our masterpiece
That's awesome.
ready. Ever wondered what happens when you make oil pulling a daily habit? First off, you'll notice your breath smells fresher than ever. That's because oil pulling works wonders, much like a mouthwash. But that's not all. Your teeth will start to look brighter too, thanks to Guru Nanda Coconut Pulling Oil, which is packed with natural essential oils. Those yellow stains on your teeth have no chance. So now you can export your video and you should be ready to go. You can't actually imagine the time you'll save using InVideo, as you don't have to do any manual editing or cutting yourself. And the best part is you can actually try it for free. And starting at just $20 per month, you get unlimited exports, voice clones, and lots of cool features. But now the question is, how can anyone start this business in a country that doesn't support TikTok
Ooh.
Shop? Well, it's actually simpler than you might think. What most people don't realize is that many of the top products on TikTok Shop, including the one we discussed today, are also available on Amazon. Also, many aren't aware that you can sign up for Amazon Associates, which is Amazon's affiliate program. So I think you
That's also true for Shopify stores. And that's actually where you can make a ton of money, because Amazon affiliate codes typically give very low affiliate commissions. But on Shopify, if you can even negotiate with the brands, and they can pay you like 20%, even 30% commission. So that's another big thing.
understand what I mean by now. Do your research to see which products are performing best on TikTok Shop. Find the same or similar products on Amazon and apply the same video creation steps we've discussed today. This means you can promote the same products through Amazon instead of using TikTok Shop. And always remember, my friend, that sometimes we need to think outside the box and find solutions instead of focusing on the problems and doing nothing.
Facts. I love that. What a good video.
So I recently came across something.
I actually want to watch this one too in the future, but this one's 24 minutes long and I don't have time for that today. I will though once we start streaming again. But yeah, if this is your first time watching my videos, then subscribe for more. We do all kinds of videos on this channel all the time, exploring different e-com brands, different ways to make money, and we're just going to make more kinds of videos in the future too. I'm trying to get more general because I want to solve problems in this world, man. I want to, learn more about science, learn about more about engineering and things of that nature so that I can apply that all to my business and also get more talent from you guys. I want to hire you if you're a talented person. But that's about it for this video. Peace.